Hi students, let us try to understand the wurtz reaction students. Okay, we are going to understand the wurtz reaction if you can be able to understand this. And when you talk about the wurtz reaction friend, this is a reaction of alkyl halide. What you are going to take student, that is alkyl halides are there. Okay, and alkyl halide when you are treating with the sodium, okay, if you are treating alkyl halide with the sodium and taking the ether solution, right? So what it is going to give student, it is going to be alkane plus NaCl. Okay, this is the going to give, you know, and this alkane will be what student, that to be higher alkane. Okay, now this reactions is all about this one. Okay, you can see, right? So let us have a look over the example friend. What can be the example of this? Okay. So suppose we are having that is Rx and you are going to treat with the sodium metal, right? Take the 2Rx student. So what will be, this is going to be out, right? So this is going to be out, so 2R are there, so R plus NaX is out. And this is going to be what student? That is higher alkane. This is what higher alkane. And that is also what is higher alkane. That is what I am saying, right? Now, if you are having the example CH3Cl I am taking, I am and I am treating. So this is CH3CH3 and plus it will give what student, that is 2NaCl. Very now you see little higher alkane if you are taking. What the higher alkane? Suppose I am taking that is CH3 CH2 Cl metal, and this is again going to be dry ether only. This is the medium. Now you can see this is the one possibility. One possibility. So see the product CH3, CH2 and CH3. This is the product. Now student, another point is also there, which is the important one. What important? That in the medium we are having the all the three reagent. The medium, suppose this reaction is taking place in container. What the container? This is the container are there. So what are the reagents are there student? CH3, CH2 and Cl, and another is there CH3Cl. So this is the A and this is the B. Possibilities are what there? Three cases are there, that A and A can combine, second B and B can combine, and third one AB combine. Right? So what could be reaction student if you are putting the sodium in it? The reaction will be the if AA combine. So it is going to give student butane CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. If BB combine, so what it will give student? CH3 CH3. If AB combine, so what it will give student? CH3 CH2 and CH3. So this is the cases, that we need to understand. That is, if it is combining, so that the different product is possible in case of what student, that is the if the alkyl halide what we have taken is the different one. So in this case we need to understand this. Now next one So student, if you see, let us see this example, because with the help of this one, you can prepare the alkene also. What alkene we can prepare, the student? In case of dihalide, if you are having dihalide, what are dihalides? CH2Cl, and here is also CH2Cl, and you are going to treat with the 2Na metal, right student? 2Na metal. So this NaCl will be out, and this one electron is out, and this one electron is going to out. So what you are going to get, student? This you are going to get CH2 double bond CH2. This is the ethene. This is the our product. This is going to be ethene, right? So it is not like that by the Wurtz reaction you are only going to prepare the alkane. You can prepare the alkene also. Okay, that is what the point is, important point is there, right? Now the next reaction, if you are seeing, student, next reaction. So that is what Wurtz reactions are two types. Okay, Wurtz reaction, if you classify the Wurtz reaction, student, so that is two types. First one is intermolecular. Okay, this is going to be intermolecular. Another is what is intramolecular. Intramolecular. So friend, if you talking about intermolecular, if you talk about the intermolecular, in that case, if you talk intermolecular, so in that case, what will be there, student? Hmm? In case of intermolecular, what the possibilities? Two different alkyl group are there. Two different takes place. Okay. And if you talk about the intermolecular friend, okay, takes place in takes place in same alkyl halide, same alkyl halide molecule. So this point you need to keep in mind. Okay, when you are preparing for the NEET and JEE, you need to keep in mind that is whatever the Wurtz reaction we are talking about. That's not the very small. That's not the very small topic. It's quite large topic. So Wurtz reaction, this can be intermolecular or intramolecular. If we talk about the intermolecular friend, so what can be, this takes place between two different alkyl halides, and this takes place in same alkyl halide. Let us try to have the example of the this one. So if you talking about this one, student, and suppose we are having this one, Cl is there, then I am having CH2, then CH2, and then CH2, and again going to be Cl, and you are treating with the 2Na, right? So what will happen, friend? This Cl and this is going to be out, so it will be minus 2NaCl, and this carbon is going to join, right? So what the compound is going to, you are going to get CH2, CH2, and CH2. So that is, you are going to get the cyclic product, right? What will happen here? Here the very simple CH3Cl, and you are treating with the Na metal. So what? This is the two. This is two. So this is good. CH3CH3. This is the product. Now let us move out some more examples. For the, we are talking about intramolecular example. So it can give the numerous example. Let us have a look over it. Suppose we are having this compound. Here is Cl. This is Cl. So what kind of fission will be there, friend? Here will be homolytic fission, and we are treating again with the 2Na. So 2NaCl is out, but this one electron and this one electron can join, so it will give that is cyclohexane, right? Next one you can see. If you are talking about the next one, what can be the next one, student? Suppose you have taken this compound. This is there. Here is Cl, here is Cl. You can split it out. So four carbons are there, so it will give that is, if you are taking with the 2Na, so it will give the cyclo. This is the cyclobutane. Next one you see friend. Okay, here what can be? Suppose you are taking this one. Here is Cl, here is Cl. So if you are treating with the 2Na, so what will happen? This is going to be out. So minus 2NaCl. So what will be lefting out? This double bond will come out. Suppose what will happen if anything next is there? What will happen if suppose I'm having this compound friend? What are here is Cl and here is Cl. So it will going to be split here. So what the product we are going to get here? This is the 6-member ring. What 2 carbon are increasing here is, and bit center will be this. This is the going to be product. Suppose I am having this compound. Okay, what compound is student? If I am having this compound, so this is what is Cl. This is going to be Cl. So you see again 2Na, and so it will going to give what student? That is this way. Okay. So these are the reactions, students, that we need to keep in mind. Now, next one is what mechanism of Wurtz reaction. I am going for the mechanism of Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. This is what mechanism of Wurtz reaction. So when you talk about the mechanism, this is having the two reactions, student. Free radical mechanism. Okay. So in presence of sunlight, student, if you are talking about NaCl is there, and that is peroxide is there. Peroxide that we are not showing, or the UV light, you can say UV light. So in presence of UV light, it is going to form Na plus and Cl free radical. Now this, if I am having CH3Cl and I am taking that is Na free radical, so this is going to generate the free radical. One free radical is capable to generate free radical. So this is CH3 free radical and going to be what? NaCl. Now these two CH3 free radical can combine, friend. So what will happen? That is the ethane will comes out. Okay, this is the higher alkane. There is also one more mechanism is there, student. That is what is known as ionic mechanism. Okay, this is also known as ionic mechanism. So when you talk about the ionic mechanism, friends, so what is that is Na free radical will form, and then when you are losing this skull, that is Na plus electron will be out. And now we are having the Rx, and that is electron minus. This electron is attacking on this, so this bond is going to be out. So that is R minus plus Na will be forming R minus, and here you see that is Na also you can take. Okay, both we are going to take. So what is the possibilities, student? What is going to be possibilities? Okay, R minus will form the same, it will combine with the Na plus, and another is what is there, student, you can form that is X minus, right? Now you see Na plus R minus, Na plus R minus, and then Rx we are having. So what will happen? This is going to be out. So that is R dash R plus NaX. This is the higher alkane. So this we need to keep in mind the mechanism, friends. So this is all about the Wurtz reaction. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment.